Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete a Facebook page. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you gotta do is simply access your particular Facebook app on a mobile phone. Go ahead, tap on this profile icon with the menu on top, tap on see more, and tap on this option of pages right over here. Now go ahead, tap on this particular page of yours, and first of all simply switch. Now tap on this menu icon on top right again. Go ahead, tap on the settings icon. Now right over here you will find this kind of interface, right? So right over here simply go ahead, tap on this page settings. Now go ahead, tap on this option of privacy, tap on this option of access and control, and then tap on this deactivation or deletion. Now you gotta do is tap on this toggle on this particular option, tap on continue, and you gotta simply go ahead, choose a reason, and then afterwards you gotta tap on this continue option. Then you will be asked to provide the password of your account. Once you have provided that, you will be able to remove aka delete your page likewise on your Facebook like that. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.